Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to hide files in File Explorer. Really easy and simple. First, locate the files, and then all you need to do is right-click on the specific file, or you can do this for multiple files as well. If you highlight a bunch, let's say I highlight these three, I right-click, and then here at the very last option, you want to click on Properties, okay? And here under General, we have Attributes. So you want to toggle on hidden. So these will be hidden files. And you need to make sure to click on apply. Don't just click on OK. Make sure you click on apply and then click on OK. And these files are basically hidden. So let me show you. So if I come here to view and show/hide. So right now I'm able to see my hidden items as well. And if I toggle this one off, this is usually how it will show. Right? As you can see, we're not able to see those files here, right? But as soon as I come here to show the hidden items, there you go. We will be able to see. And as you can see, it has a little bit more of a transparency thing going on as these files are hidden, right? And there you go. Really that easy and simple.